Hello, this is my little introduction to 3DCoat and Krita. Krita is a good 2D painting program which has pretty interesting and good brushes, and I just want to introduce you some of them. So it has good set of brushes where you can already do some interesting stuff and paint. Just show you interesting stuff. Also, Krita has good mixed brushes. Just a second, I'm going to show you. And for example, you see this is sample like blur and mix in one time, so it's pretty interesting too. So also Krita has good selection tools. You can paint selection, you can make polygonal selection, you can make something like gradients, and good brush engines in some way. Okay, so this is our sketch, and we will try to make this in 3DCoat. Firstly I modeled it in Blender. You see, this is a modeled object. This is my UV map, and now we transfer it to 3DCoat uplink for per pixel painting. Okay, I opened 3DCoat. I make after smoothing about 45 degrees, and we will make texture Y512. Okay, now we have our 3D model. So you see, this is sketch and this is model. Okay, just little introduction to 3DCoat. 3DCoat has layers, like Krita has these layers. You see, Krita has layers, and 3DCoat has layers too. For example, I will draw something. Just a second, and you can see I can switch layers on off. Here is a UV map. You can check it. You can draw here too. It's very important sometimes, because we can make it more. Okay, next is little introduction to layers. A layer can have color, depth, and specular. So what it means? For example, we can draw only depth, and it means we can draw a bump map. It draws through normals, and it looks like that. Normal mapping for game engine. So this is very important sometimes to make some interesting bump maps. When you sculpt your model, you can import normal map here, and also you can tweak some things which you don't like with a brush. It's very cool, really. So okay, next is color, which I already introduced it, and specularity. Specularity, it's, well, I hope you see it. Specular channel. So, and normal channel. Just show you how it looks. So with control you can make depths in different way. So you can also see if you press 1, just normal map, 2, just color, 3, and specular channel level, and 4 and 5. 4 we can switch grid, which is very important too. So, and if you see, if I switch layer off, all 3 channels will be switched off. So it's very important that you can make in one layer all that stuff. Okay. Now let's try. I hope we will make some kind of 3D model for mobile game, for example. Let's try it. We take image picker and just select image, press select. Well, I selected my image and it will be a knife. Okay, this is my knife. And also we go to edit, preferences, and switch our 2D external 2D editor. You see I have a path to my Krita. For example, I switch my own software. Krita, install bin Krita. Here is my Krita application, so press apply. Okay, here we can make always padding and my Blender, normal maps, as I use Blender. So that's all. Okay. Next, what we're going to do, press edit and sync layers with external editor. Press, just a second. We see open Krita. And we see here grid. And next we press edit and edit all layers in external layer. Also you see shortcut Ctrl P. So opens another Krita application. Just a second. Okay, I see this. And you see here are 2 layers like in 3DCoat. This is very important. Just have a look. We see layer 1, layer 1, layer 0, and we can here to paint. Just paint, do anything you want. Just for example, and we save it. Press save. It saved 2 layers PSD file. It opens PSD file as 3DCoat, exports all to PSD. And we switch to 3DCoat and we see updated our image. Color, and we see here all updated layer. You can switch it off, switch it on. So also we can add new layer, but you need to make a new name. For example, name 1, and here do some stuff. Press save, and we see our updated layer. Also, if you don't like it and you need to change something in 3DCoat, you just can do it. Like, sorry, depth will switch off, it's clarity. here on this layer, we will draw and just press sync all layers. With Krita. Now we will find our changes from 3DCoat. Second, I open to Kritas. Okay, we will close that one. So you see changes from Krita is now from 3DCoat changes now changes applied to Krita. So everything is simple and very interesting. So okay, just remove this. Let's try to do it. We just take this cage, just select everything, Ctrl A, copy and paste here. You see new paste layer, call it UV and press Ctrl U, hue saturation, make it lightness, like this, that, and press Ctrl S. Now switch to 3DCoat and we have all three layers here. So we will switch it off, don't need it anymore. So okay, now we can draw and use UV here, just for us, make it more transparent. Don't know if it will be more transparent. No, so it seems we need to do it here. Transparency. Okay. And now we will save it. I'll save it as a test. Okay. Next, we will take these colors from the color picker. So, and we will take. You see here we can make different types of brushes. I will just show you. You can make like that brush, or you can make like that brush, or you can make like that brush. It will be always different types. Okay, now we can see here something. They are all different. Just points, and we can make lines. That's very important too for making something like seams. Okay, next we have rectangles, we have polygons. Sometimes it's pretty difficult to set. Okay, polygonals, like a fill, and polygon. These polygons. You can draw on polygons. What we will do? Okay, we will do it like that, and we will take here the color. I will make it a bit less. Okay, just remove perspective, and now we will try to do some basic stuff. Okay, we will take here. You we see here some issues, but we can fix it in Krita lately. It's okay. Okay, next we can make an entire fill without color tolerance. Just take it here and here, 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 and here. Okay. So we fill it and call it. Oh, sorry, it was in Russian. Call. Okay. So we did basic stuff. Now we close all other Krita applications, and now edit all colors in external editor. Okay, so now we have here our UV mapped object. So we can now just add a new layer and call it like call to, and make some stuff with gradients. Well, I use often these 4 brushes. Okay, we just need to make more precision, more spacing. Take it here. Just no need. You see some kind of grid, well, some artifacts, but it's okay. We will remove it later. Lately. So we just make some kind of stuff. Something here. Next we will make something like here. Just have a look. So it's Denver. Just have a look what we have here. select it. Okay. Looks pretty okay for me. For a while. I'll make some gradients here, here, and here. And we can make. Selection from here. So next we will need to just understand we see this stuff. Something like that, and we will make something like that here. So I'll make here and here. Okay, here and here. That's pretty good. Okay, another thing which I would like to show you. Just a second. Okay. Okay, we have some basic stuff, and next I would like to show you how to use lines for that stuff. Okay, we did everything in Krita, just switch it off, and now we will make a new layer, call 3, don't forget to save. And we take another brush and we'll take color, choose color from all layers here, and we'll take it darker, and we will take our line tool and make some stuff here. Okay, next we will take hiding tool, and it was here. You can see we can hide polygons, or if you double click, it will hide the entire object. We can also hide and invert it. Okay, and now just we just finish our stuff here. Okay. And press Ctrl X to switch it on. Okay, now we have some kind of lines. You see, it will be difficult to make in 2D painting program, but in 3D painting program it's a bit easier. That's why 3D painting is very important. So basically I showed you all stuff. Next I will make entire object, but it will take more time. I will show you. Okay guys, I'm back. I spent about 1 hour to finish this model, and it looks like that. And I just will show you the first previous sketch. So we did it now in 3D. You see how it looks like. Well, I guess this model will be pretty good for mobile game, and the most important thing which I would like to show you is integration between Krita and 3DCoat. And I hope all that applications will be integrated more and more with better features. And I hope and I wish good luck to 3DCoat team and Krita team. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching it.